Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 versus M3. We're diving into a head-to-head battle between two very different, yet equally compelling, performance sedans. On one side, we have the innovative electric power of the Tesla Model 3, known for its instant torque and cutting-edge tech. On the other, the legendary BMW M3, a benchmark for driving enthusiasts with its powerful engine and precise handling. Let's explore which one might be the better fit for you. When it comes to performance, both cars are incredibly quick, but they achieve it differently. The Tesla Model 3, especially in its performance trim, offers exhilarating, silent acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.1 seconds. The BMW M3, however, provides a visceral experience with its powerful gasoline engine, engaging exhaust note, and finely tuned suspension. It's a choice between instant electric thrust and a more traditional, engaging combustion engine feel. Beyond raw speed, practicality and features play a big role. The Model 3 showcases a sleek, minimalist interior dominated by its large central touchscreen, offering over-the-air updates and advanced driver assistance. The M3 provides a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, physical controls, and a focus on driver engagement. For charging, Tesla's supercharger network is a significant advantage for long-distance travel, while the M3 relies on traditional fuel stations. Considering cost and ownership, the Tesla Model 3 typically offers lower running costs due to cheaper electricity versus gasoline, and fewer moving parts often mean less maintenance. The BMW M3, while a fantastic machine, might incur higher fuel and service expenses over time. Your choice depends on your priorities: electric efficiency and tech, or raw, traditional performance. For more details and other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.